The resounding power of a chainsaw makes cutting down a tree seem like a miracle. But don't forget, that power also comes with unpredictable dangers. Discover it through our following video. With the overwhelming power of his chainsaw, he shook the yellow leaf forest. When he quickly and neatly felled a large tree. This is the largest tree he has ever seen, with a volume of up to 6.66 meters 3, which was truly a significant challenge. However, with his perseverance and skill, he eventually overcame and conquered that challenge. The big tree fell down seeing the solid and smooth wood. He was more energetic and determined than ever, ready to face the rain to complete his mission. The customer was very satisfied. When he hired him to clean up some trees in his garden, the way he works is neat and quick, bringing high efficiency to his work. The image of his feet sinking deep into the snow, trying to bring down the giant tree, is truly an impressive sight. His patience and strength make me admire him. That tree rose more than 40 meters high and was located right near power lines, which created great challenges. During the felling process, handling such giant trees requires careful care and professional techniques to avoid causing safety and environmental problems. His confidence and dexterity in using the saw to repeatedly fell trees shows the proficiency and experience of a professional carpenter. The way he gently and precisely adjusts the saw angle is also a testament to his patience and sophistication in his craft. To ensure absolute safety for the surrounding environment, after sawing trees, cranes were also used to clamp and lift trees and move them away, minimizing risks and negative effects. Thanks to careful calculation and precise cutting techniques, even though it was located right next to the main road, the tree was safely brought down without affecting the surrounding environment. It feels so great to see him, excited and happy with such big, beautiful trees. Surely, this will bring him a considerable income from supplying the furniture factory. In this video, he not only did the task of cutting down trees, but also dedicatedly guided and shared secrets with those who followed. That's wonderful and admirable. Every piece of wood he takes down is immediately transported by truck to the workshop. This professionalism ensures every furniture order is completed on time and with quality. Spruce wood, a wonderful material gifted by nature, brings elegance and class to every product in which it is used. That's why, overcoming all difficulties and challenges, the workers still try to collect these trees. After many years of waiting, he was finally able to harvest these large trees from his small garden. Patience and passion have been rewarded with amazing results, creating an awe-inspiring and impressive spectacle. after a whole day of work. This is the tree he finally completed, even though it was really big. He felt relieved as he breathed a sigh of relief after the tree had safely fallen. The resounding power of a chainsaw makes cutting down a tree seem like a miracle. Discover it through our following video. The durable and termite-resistant properties of cedar have made it the preferred choice in the construction of long, lasting structures. Despite the difficult terrain and harsh weather, people still want to conquer this type of wood. Looking at his confidence and determination at work, it was only natural that this giant cedar tree would be knocked down. Using the Style 500 chainsaw, cutting down large trees in the middle of the city becomes safer and more effective than ever. The power and performance of the Husqvarna 560 XP chainsaw allows you to cut down a large tree in just a few minutes, quickly completing the task and clearing a small forest. This is really a powerful tool for him. In this logging job, he happily exclaimed, "This is the best working day he has ever had." Because he was able to calculate and cut down to large trees at the same time. He is truly a master of the logging industry. With confidence, discipline, and extensive expertise, seeing how he calmly took down a large tree really made everyone admire him. High-speed chainsaws are an extremely effective tool in the wood industry, helping to increase productivity. With the ability to cut quickly and accurately, the fast processing ability of the high-speed chainsaw reduces working time, increases production capacity, and reduces labor effort, making the woodworking process more efficient. With so many types of modern chainsaws today, it is difficult to choose the chainsaw with the fastest cutting speed. But this Echo CS440 chainsaw is currently the most popular machine. For industries that require precision and accuracy, this is an indispensable choice to ensure the desired results are achieved. In addition to high speed, it also provides precision in cutting wood, minimizing loss, and creating a high-quality final product. This Steel MS-280 saw is fast. It feels light and cuts through wood like butter. If trees like this are not pruned at the right time, they will fall during the dry season and can be very dangerous.